In this video, we're going to show you how to check and know about VRAM capacity on your Windows device. Let's begin. VRAM, or Video Random Access Memory, is an integral part of any graphics card that can render the graphics efficiently to display on a monitor. Also, that means more VRAM can be beneficial if you want to play demanding games at higher resolutions. Let's see how to check the VRAM capacity on your Windows device. Press the Windows and I keys to open the Settings app. When the Settings app opens, stay on the System tab and click on Display. On the Display page of the Settings tab, scroll down and click on the Advanced Display option. On the Advanced Display page, click on the Display Adapter Properties for Display 1 option. Look for the value beside Dedicated Video Memory in the window that appears. This value corresponds to the VRAM capacity of the GPU. Please note that if you have more than one graphics card installed on your PC, this method will only show the information about the graphics card, GPU, that is currently in use. Wasn't that simple? For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos handpicked just for you.